How to put other story on my story on Instagram without actually being mentioned. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimo from App Guide, and in today's video I will simply show you how you can add and put other story on your Instagram story without you actually being mentioned. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now the thing about reposting someone's story on Instagram is that if I just go ahead and then open the Instagram app, currently one of the person has actually tagged me in a story, and I can directly add this story by tapping on the option called add this to your story. Or if I open the story, you can see I'm actually currently tagged in it, so I'll just tap on the option called add this to your story in order to directly add this to my story. Now for this case you have to be mentioned in the story, but what if you are not mentioned in the story? The only way you can actually put someone's story on your story without you being mentioned is that you taking a screenshot of that specific story. So let me also just go ahead and show you what that looks like. If I just go ahead and open up a specific profile over here, and the only way I can go ahead and simply actually add this story to my own story is for me to go ahead and then take a screenshot. And once I take a screenshot of this, I'll just come back and then I'll come to my home page and I'll tap on the your story button, and now I'll just select a specific screenshot. You can see it is almost similar to our previous story that we had. Now if we want, we can also go ahead and tag the specific person. If we want to, we can tap on the double A icon, we could tap and hit at the rate, and we could go ahead and simply mention that person. Now this only works for images. If you're talking about videos, then of course there's the only way to actually take it and then do it is actually by taking a screenshot. You cannot go ahead and repost it with any other way, even if you download the story or anything else. So just keep that in mind. Hopefully this video cleared the confusion. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.